Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace light bulbs to LEDs on Scion XB 2005 or similar models. What you need is H4 for this particular model, and that's the ones I have here. So this is like a high and low beam, and they have fans at the back. Okay, so what we see here is this metal piece. Just press on it. Okay, so you press on it and pull it up, and this way it opens. So now this is the light bulb. Like I said, it's designed for high and low beam. So simply disconnect this right here. Okay, so I pulled this one out, and just plug this one in here. Now this actually fits in here. I tried. Goes in perfectly. You just have to find the right angle. So now what I'm gonna do is pull this out. Okay, so I am trying this. It's actually very bright. Yep, the fan is spinning. So, and as you can see, the other half is for the high beams. So these are low beams, and that's the high. So now I'm gonna go turn on the high beams as well. Okay, so that's both high and low beams are on, very bright. Okay, now when you just try to put it in first, it should fit only one way. Okay, it fits. So what you gotta do is pull it out like that and put that metal thing inside, and now you can put this back in and lock it in place. Like this. So let's go ahead and try it with the light inside. Okay guys, that's how it looks. You can definitely see the difference. Very nice. So guys, same thing to the other side. So if you have a dust cap, like I do on one headlight, but I didn't have one on the other headlight, so what you can do is this. Actually, you can turn this. One second. Just turn it like this. And you can actually pull this out and put this in like that. Put this inside here and put this one inside like so, and lock it. And this way you have a dust cap on and then you put this spring in here and lock it, and then lock the dust cap. And if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, and here's the final look. That's the headlights, high and low beams. Can't really see high beams, but looks very nice.